morning, guys.
Kuya.
Hip hip.
Hooray!
That's it. Hip hip, louder.
Hooray!
Thank you, guys. So that one is resort of Manny Pacquiao before.
Wow.
You call that West Cove. Pakalam ko yan. That one is broke by the government last 2016 because sometimes if the waters comes high tide, aabot po dyan sa taas. So that's it. So guys, good morning again.
Good morning.
So we're glad to be here as a part of your tour for today. So welcome. Who came here second time? Second time. Welcome again. First time, all of you guys. So yun. Let's us enjoy our tour for today. Go. For today's tour, we have a 4 stop or destination as a part of our tour. Okay, our first stop, Poca Beach. You call that Poca Beach. That one, guys, is public. So things you can go there. You can go there for swimming. Swimming, take picture with their sand castle. May mga sand castle doon. And then this one, the main attraction of that place, the main activities. This one po. Unos this one, Crystal Kayak. Dito nag-trending yung kayak sa Poca Beach. Crystal Kayak, they have, this one is photo shoot, include photographer and then choreographer. Tagayos na mga post natin. So we have local price, 150 per one person. This one is not included in our tour, okay? Not include. I'm just recommend this one. So 150 local price po yon. Good for solo, couple, then tatlohan. Tatlo yung capacity nito. Okay, our time is in there, 30 minutes. Don't go too far. I'm just reminding you guys. Don't go too far. Stay on our boat. Name of our boat, nasa baba, LMG1. Pangalan. Don't come up with another boat. Okay, guys. Did you understand me? Thank you, guys. Mudago na.
Alright guys, so nandito na tayo ngayon sa first stop natin dito sa may Poca Beach. So ang pwede nyo gawin dito ay mag picture sa mga sandcastle. And meron din tayo ditong Crystal Kayak for only 150 pesos. Okay?
The next one is snorkeling. Snorkeling time, they call that Coral Garden. So Coral Garden is private sanctuary of this island. So you can explore their underground water, different kind of fishes and then corals. So from us, we'll give you a snorkeling gear for free. But on that place is private, owned by the government. They have an environmental payment for 100 per one person. 100 per one person for those who wanna go down. But for those who wanna go stay here, 200. No, I'm just kidding. So 100 optional po yun ha. Bawal yung sad. Be happy. Thank you. So time is in there again, 30 minutes. 30 minutes for those who wanna go in. Yan po, 30 minutes tayo. And then remind ko lang ha, you have an optional payment, 100. Walang sapilitan, yung gusto lang ma-expose po pa. Okay, and then for the next one, that is the lunch time on the mainland. Mainland po yun, our lunch time. So, that one is included. You paid already our lunch time, lunch buffet. Buffet po yun ha. So, I will don't give you a time limit in there because that one is food. So, you have to take your time and then enjoy your lunch. Did you understand, guys? Enjoy your lunch. Don't take out. Nandun din yung hot kawabat. You know hot kawabat? Malaking kawali. After you eat, they're gonna cook you there. Lulutuin na naman kayo doon. That one is included. Do you have a photographer? May tagayos ng mga post nyo. May apoy sa paligid. So that's it.
Alright guys, so kakatapos lang natin mag-snorkeling kanina. Sobrang hirap niya dahil maalon din. And ngayon, nandito na tayo ngayon sa kanilang lunch buffet.
And then for the fourth one, Crystal Cove Island. Crystal Cove Island is the best part of our tour for today. You can explore their underground cave. We can go down for swimming without sunlight. So yun, malamig. The waters there is clear. That's why you call that Crystal Cove Island. Yun yung shooting yung Marina doon before. Marina, doon si Dugong. And that island is private, family owner. That's why they have an entrance fee if you go in. So later in our lunch place, we can discuss that one. If how much their entrance fee and then how long we stay there. Entrance fee, ma'am, 300.
Oh no.
Yes, that one is private. And then our time is in there. That one is last one, 1 hour. 1 hour, that one is last stop. After that, we're gonna go back here on same place.
Alright guys, so nandito na tayo ngayon sa last destination ng island hopping natin. And nandito tayo ngayon sa Crystal Cove Island. And pupunta naman natin yung Cove 1. So tara, samahan nyo ako. Alright guys, so nandito tayo ngayon sa Cove 1 and sobrang lalim ng dagat dito. So, pag bumaba ka, 6 feet kagad. And kailangan talaga na meron kang life vest. And guys, papakita sa inyo. And sa ngayon, sobrang daming naliligo. Medyo against the light lang banda dito. Kaya dito tayo pumipwesto. Alright guys. So, sobrang lalim dito, around 6 feet. Alright guys, so sobrang dami talaga ng tao. And dito tayo galing kanina. So bumaba tayo dito. Or legit pa yung dinadaanan natin.
1 hour na yung lumipas eh. 120 na.
Ayan mo. 120?
220 na.
OMG.
120 tayo kumalis. Pero nag-over na.
Uy, paano yung pabalik?
Punta na sa tayo. For sure, sabayan na lang natin yung babalik. Kung naabutan natin yun.
Ang ganda dito. Ang ganda ng rock formation.
Parang ganda na ano.
Alright guys, so may kalayuan lang yung Cove 2. Pero sobrang ganda ng view. Grabe. Medyo sulit na rin yung binayad natin dahil itong last destination natin, sobrang ganda na. Medyo kailangan natin bilisan dahil 1 hour lang yung allotted time natin dito sa Crystal Cove.
Ano pa ba? Patapos pala yun? Wala pa akong naririnig na tao.
Wow, ang ganda dito. Wow guys, sobrang ganda.
Wow. Cave 2, sobrang ganda. Mababaw lang.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so natapos na yung tour natin, yung island hopping for only 900 pesos. Pero meron mga another charges. Ilalagay ko naman dito sa baba yung mga iba pang babayaran nyo. And if ever kung magpapabook kayo sa Klook, pwede rin. Huwag nyo lang kakalimutan na gamitin aking Klook promo code na JUDEKLOOK para makakuha pa kayo ng additional na discount. Alright guys, so nag-start yung island hopping tour natin from 9 a.m. And nakabalik na kami dito ng 3 p.m. pero dapat hanggang 2 p.m. lang. So medyo natagalan lang kami sa Crystal Cove. And if ever kung magpapabook kayo ng island tour, pwede sa Klook. At huwag nyo lang kakalimutan na gamitin aking Klook promo code na JUDEKLOOK para makakuha pa kayo ng additional na discount. Okay? So thanks for watching! Bye!